Two California state lawmakers announced a proposed law on June 16th that would prohibit law enforcement officers from wearing masks in public, following riots sparked by immigration actions in Los Angeles. The No Secret Police Act was planned in response to an increase in federal immigration deportation operations in California's larger cities, including Los Angeles, according to Democratic state senators Scott Wiener of San Francisco and Jesse Arreguin of Berkeley. This is a very important and timely proposal to deal with the fact that we're seeing more and more law enforcement officers, particularly at the federal level, in our community, covering their faces entirely, not identifying themselves at all, at times even wearing army fatigues. Wiener said during a news conference on June 16th, "You can't tell if these are law enforcement officers or a vigilante militia. Now is the time for California to act on to protect our communities. We do not need secret police in California." The bill, Senate Bill 627, would require all local, county, state, and federal law enforcement to remove any face coverings in public, with some exceptions that include SWAT teams, medical masking, and natural disaster responses. A second component of the proposed legislation would require all law enforcement members operating in the state to wear identifiable features on their uniforms, such as names or badge numbers. Wiener alleged that law enforcement organizations were considering bringing in private military contractors to help with immigration enforcement. These groups would also be subject to the law's provisions, he said. Tricia McLaughlin, Assistant Secretary of the Department of Homeland Security, called Wiener's description of federal officers as secret police despicable and said it contributed to an escalation of violence against them. While immigration and customs enforcement officers are being assaulted by rioters and having rocks and Molotov cocktails thrown at them, a sanctuary politician